Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to create an animated short film. This animated story will revolve around a specific character. Let's dive into how to use Dzine and Pixverse to create your own character story movie. First, we need to build a specific character inside Dzine. So go ahead and open up Dzine, start a new project, give it a name, and adjust the canvas size as needed. Now, click on the Character tool from the global sidebar on the left, and then hit Build Your Character. Here, you can either design your character using text prompts, or if you already have a character image, you can upload that too to build from it. In this case, we're going to start by using text. Just type in your character's name, describe their appearance and clothing, pick a style you like, and hit Generate. Once you find a design you're happy with, select it and click Start Training. Then just wait for your character to finish building. When it's done, you're free to use your character in any way you want. You'll be able to manage all your built characters right here. And yes, you can use them immediately. Simply click Generate Images, choose the character you want, and describe their action and the environment they're in. Adjust a few settings, and boom! You'll get an image featuring your customized character. Just double-click the image to add it straight onto your canvas. Now, if you want two of your specific characters in one image, it's super easy. Click the Insert Character Quick button from the Result menu, and Dzine will automatically jump to the Insert Character tool. Then, just mask out any random characters you don't want. Pick your own character. Describe their action. By adjusting the settings in the camera section, you can fine-tune the image to get the effect you're looking for. Click Generate. And there you have it, an image with both of your characters. Next up, click on AI Video. Click on the AI Video tool from the global sidebar. Choose Pixverse as the video model, type in a description of your scene, and generate your video. It's that simple. And of course, if you want to get even more creative with your videos, you can head over to the official Pixverse website. There, you can simply upload an image, describe the video content you want, and quickly generate the kind of video you're looking for. On top of that, you can also upload an audio file, and Pixverse will automatically sync it, giving you a video where your character's mouth moves naturally and smoothly as they speak.
Boom! Let's see how much bang for our buck we get.
There are tons of other awesome features too, like upscaling your videos to ultra-high definition, giving them a cinematic, movie-quality finish.
Boom! Let's see how much bang for our buck we get.
If you're aiming for smooth, consistent visuals in your short film, Pixverse's transition tool is definitely worth a look. Simply upload two images, one as the opening keyframe and one as the ending keyframe, and provide a brief description of your video content. The tool will then generate a stable, seamless cinematic sequence that bridges the two frames with professional quality. So what are you waiting for? Jump into Dzine and Pixverse and start creating your own animated movies today.